I've turned into a mermaid. Look at my tail, it's gorgeous.
But where are we supposed to live?
Guys, I've got something special for you.
They watch, they talk, but I don't care. I'm climbing up while they just stare. Pretty face, but skill ignites.
First, let's decorate Rumi's house. This colorful faux fur is just perfect. Adding some hot glue around the edge and sticking it on. I'll also add a pink zipper trim along the border. Cool, I love it! Now let's cover the floor with pink fur. It makes such a soft, cozy rug. And here's a surprise. Look what I've got, Rumi. Starfish, crabs, it's a whole underwater world. Let me help you. We'll use hot glue to fix the little figures onto the wall, just like that. It looks absolutely stunning. I also have some fun ocean-themed stickers. Carefully cutting them out with scissors and sticking them on with double-sided tape. Rumi is totally amazed. Now let's make some coral. I've got this pink glitter foam sheet. Drawing coral shapes with a pencil. Cutting them out and gluing them on. Rumi is my little helper. Perfect. Adding some rhinestones for sparkle. Oh, and I found some turquoise chenille wire. That'll make cute soft corals. Twisting it up and adding it on both sides of the floor. This ocean decor looks unreal.
Wow!
Look at all the fish. Everything's so pretty. And the coral, my favorite. It's a real mermaid's home. Yeah, that's the vibe. You rock, Jinu.
Check this out. Look what I've got.
Perfect, that's gonna come in handy. Folding the chenille wire in half, twisting the middle. Bending the ends up and looping them through. Now connecting the edges and curving them slightly. I'll need a few of those. Adding a dab of glue to each side and sticking them together neatly. Well, does it look like a jellyfish? A little glue on the tentacles. Adding stars, chains, ribbons, and some rock-style studs on top. Looks awesome!
Whoa, that's sick!
Oh, I've got an idea. Hand me your guitar. I'll add some wall hooks and hang it up. Now it's an art piece. With this shiny background, it looks even cooler. Decorating the hooks with studs. Now some lightning bolts and fairy lights for the perfect vibe.
That turned out so cool. Time to bring out my rock posters and stickers.
Final touches. If you liked Jinu's awesome rock-style house, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
And now, time for my guitar solo.
Rock it out! Woohoo! I'm bringing the backpack to the workshop. First, I take some gold sequin fabric. I cut a piece and lay it on the floor. I glue it down with hot glue so it stays in place. Then I cover all the walls with the same fabric. Wow, everything's so gold and shiny. Gorgeous! Thank you! Oh, we're not done yet. I have some gold foil. And I'm going to make a starfish out of it. I add rhinestones, and here are the starfish and shells I made. Let's glue them on the walls. Wow, so pretty! Look at these gold seaweeds I found! I've got an idea for decor too. Let's cut them out and glue them on. I'll help too! Me too! It's turning out so cool. Where should I put these two stickers? Ah, here, perfect. Thank you. Our home looks so beautiful now. Wow, so sparkly, just how I wanted. And it matches the interior perfectly.
Hey guys, time to work on our house. Can you help us?
Of course. Let's decorate it with silver sequin fabric. Add a shelf, 2 beanbag chairs, and a little table in the middle. I even put some drinks here for you. Come on over.
Baby Sasha, look at these chairs! Yeah, cool! The house looks awesome, but something's missing. Lamps.
Take your soda and relax a bit. I'll take care of everything. I'm using a clear plastic half sphere, different kinds of glitter, a perfume bottle, a jar of UV resin, a plastic measuring cup. I pour a little UV resin into the measuring cup and add white glitter. Mix it well. This is the texture we need. Now I put the half sphere on the perfume bottle, pour some of the mixture on top, and spread the first layer with a brush so there are no gaps. I cure it under a UV lamp. Then I add more mixture in a thicker layer, add silver glitter on top, and cure it again. Now let's make the tentacles. I pour some resin or gel polish in a wavy stripe and cure it under the UV lamp. When it's slightly cured, I add big glitter pieces, pour a second layer of resin, and cure it again. I make several pieces like this. some clear, some glittery, and attach little rings. I also attach rings to the main lamp piece and connect everything together. Here's our super cool jellyfish lamp. I add rhinestones, and it's done. Let's hang it right here.
Wow, so cool! Awesome! Yeah, but it doesn't light up.
Guys, I've got it covered.
Oh, help! I'm tangled!
Don't worry, Jinu, I'll untangle you. Okay, let's take this off, and this. There you go.
What would I do without you?
Now let's hang your string lights in the house.
Wow, that's so cool! Amazing! This jellyfish lamp is just awesome. And the lighting is fire, super stylish. And the chairs are super comfy. Thanks, our house turned out awesome.
We just need a little time to decorate the pool. First, I'm taking this printed tile design and carefully cutting it out to line the bottom of the pool. Then I'll grab some pink fur and decorate the pool's rim. What's a party without disco balls? And inside the pool, let's toss in some colorful pompoms. I'm jumping in, woohoo! I need a floaty too. This is so relaxing. This turned out amazing.
Hey, look at their pool.
Hey!
We want one too.
Yeah.
All right, let's make you a rock-style pool. I'll grab a few silver chains and pendants and pin them around the edge of the pool. Look how they sparkle. Now I'll cut out this oval piece from the printed tile design and place it on the bottom.
And don't forget the studs. Here you go.
I'll also make some shiny seashells, adding glitter to the molds, pouring in clear gel, and after curing under the lamp, ta-da! They're ready! Aren't they awesome?
Hey girls, what's up?
Come join us, guys! Now we can all have fun together.
Watch out! Let's play ball!
Ouch! Be careful!
Oops, sorry. Here, this is for you.
Wow, it's so pretty. Thanks, Jinu. Looks like you all had a blast. Time to relax. What should we do? I've got an idea. I'll make you a pool. Look how much gold tinsel I have. I filled a backpack lid with it. Now let's move on to decorations. These shiny gold leaves are perfect. I fold them in half and glue them to the lid. And I'll decorate the edge with sparkly shells and gold ribbon. All done. Wow, what an awesome pool we have. Let's have fun. Woohoo! So many sparkles. We're the sparkliest girls ever. That was so fun. If only we had a slide too. I've got one right here. What's on it? It's covered in seaweed. Don't worry, that's an easy fix. We pull off the seaweed. We don't need it. And these gemstones, we spray them with stronghold hairspray and dip them into gold glitter. Now we have golden gems. Then I take a makeup sponge, some paint, and color the slide gold.
Wow!
I put the gems back on, but we're not done yet. I twist 2 pieces of gold foil to make coral. I decorate them with rhinestones and glue them to the sides of the slide. Now it's perfect. Wow, what an awesome slide we have. I'm going first. Woohoo! Everything's sparkling. I can't wait to go down. Look out! I'll fill your pool with shiny tinsel too, but silver this time. And I'll add some decorations.
Wow!
Silver sequins? Perfect.
Cool, this pool looks awesome. And jumping in! Hey, yes! Oh, so nice. Me too! Woohoo!
Here you go.
That was awesome.
So, what do we have here? Shiny fabric, just what we need. I stick double-sided tape in the middle of the box. I cover one half with gold fabric and the other half with silver. Now I'm decorating the front of the stage. I'll use square sequins. Gold for hand tricks, I'll glue their logo too, and silver for Saja boys. I add their logo, and it's done. Behind the stage, I place this decorative backdrop. A few more sparkly decorations, just like that. We need more ocean vibes, so I take chenille stems and shape them into coral. I spray them with hairspray. Better to do it over a sheet of paper so the table doesn't get messy. And cover them in glitter. I glue them to the sides of the stage and add seashells. Look at this awesome ocean-themed stage. I'm totally obsessed with it. And now, please welcome Handtricks and Saja boys!
Snowfall supernova, let it glow.
Frosted windows left there in the street. Cocoa dreams and warm
Make sure to leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye. See you in the next videos.
Magic